in, comment, la 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 la. Thanks for watching, one more coming, la 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 la. Go to bed.
I know the lighting was good.
You think so? Mm-hmm. For you? Is it red? Might be red. We number 48.
Yeah. Wow, I got
They're good?
Yeah. It's perfect too, because that was like. You got your fries? I got fries over here.
How you know which one is which?
This one got mayo, onion, lettuce, and this one's mine.
No, it's a, oh.
And yours the other one. I need a napkin.
So, we both got cheeseburgers. Mine's just all the way. She got
Onion, mayo, and lettuce. I really just want onion.
real? What's your onion flavor?
I don't know. I think probably because of like the onion taste. Because when you guys have the onions on the pizza, that felt refreshing to me. And you know what? You put in here with the onions.
Yeah, mine said number 2.
Yeah, mine said number 1. So they had numbers on it.
Yeah. This thing was small as hell.
That's good though.
We about a bit cushion. $5 is expensive.
Does onions bring out your iron? That's not why.
Mm-hmm. You low on iron?
I think so.
Because you've been cold.
Yeah.
That's a good subject.
Yeah.
Paying attention to your body.
Yeah.
And knowing when your body is telling you what it needs.
It craves or wants or needs.
All of a sudden they all showed up. Right up there. Anyways.
Yeah, topical cake. Pay attention to your body, wants or your needs.
Yeah, like when I ordered that fiber.
Yeah.
I was like, why am I getting fiber? And then when we got it, I was like, why would I order this? And then I was watching a video that talked about fiber. And then my audiobook talked about fiber. Or, I said audiobook? Audible.
And I guess probably because our body's always been changing since the weather changed so fast. like 1 minute it was hot, next it's cold, next it's freezing cold, then it's hot again. So our body's changing like the same thing as the winter is, or the seasons. So I say sometimes eat certain foods, like say you need more peanut butter in your system, that means your metabolism is like going fast.
Really?
Because also spoil the help your metabolism too.
Peanut butter?
Yep, that's what made me want to order peanut butter. Like, that everything we ordered, we asked for peanut butter first.
I be wanting peanut butter. But I think I be wanting peanut butter in all the bad ways. Like, peanut butter cookies.
Ooh, peanut butter and brownies.
Mm-hmm.
Because mom said that to me, like, crap. Okay, got me peanut butter, but wait, brownies? Both?
I love having brownies and ice cream.
That's a good mix. Especially with that whipped cream on top, that's right.
I didn't start none of this. I'm so hungry.
There you go.
Y'all, today I ain't work, but I feel like I've been working because we're trying to organize the house before the end of the year.
Yeah. Meaning everything from top to bottom of the house gotta be cleansed, gotta be organized to the T. So, yeah, we'll be working all Christmas.
In multiple ways. We're doing vlogmas.
Vlogmas, organizing, or actually cooking too. If we're not like going out, we're cooking too.
Even though I'm eating this, I still gotta cook when I get home.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm doing good chef lately. Sayu has been a good chef lately. I call all y'all names.
And I said, I'm trying to make sure I don't get on my toes. Because I don't think we got nowhere to be, but I don't want to have to change and record another video.
Yeah. I can't do it.
Y'all. Shein? Absolutely not. That's a big no for me.
I just like how they style their clothes. Like, oh, cart. What's that? Like a calendar?
Wow.
Oh,
I don't know. That's the old car. They don't even make that model anymore. But Shein,
yeah.
excuse me. I'm full. Yes.
I'm trying to master doing combinations. Eat a burger, grab a fry, do ketchup, slurp some shake, then repeat. And also pace myself because I know when I go out, I got engagement.
I've been trying to get better about that too, because I remember when I said to y'all, I'm like, I don't mix my food. I'm like, it all goes to the same place.
Yeah.
But usually I eat all my fries or all my burger, then my fries, then my drink. But now I'm trying to bounce between the two.
Yeah. I usually do the burger, fries, then ketchup, or then I reverse it. Fries first, Depends what I mean.
I'm full.
I'm trying to get full. I'm not gonna push myself, because if I do that, I end up going up.
This is not it.
It kind of reminds me of Burger King.
This reminds me of at home.
Yeah. Well, we make our burgers better
I'm gonna stop eating out. This is really making me not want to eat out more.
though. Am I the only one who does this? Have a pick up when they're gonna burger or fry?
I don't know. That means something about you though.
I don't know how hard me was classes in my past life.
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna lie, their smoothies are good. Not smoothies. Shakes are good.
That soda is so strong. I be still trying to drink soda.
I don't. I just cut it. If I want to drink soda, I want to remind myself. Okay, drink car oil.
I be still trying to drink it.
I mean, it's okay. You can drink it now and then. But me, I ain't drinking none of it. 'Cause it makes me sick.
Literally.